Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video about squiggles. And if you haven't watched that one, you might want to watch this one because I made these from pre-made squiggles, but I made them corner squiggles. But I drew this one by hand. Somebody sent me this the other day and wanted to know how to draw this, and I am not very artistic. And this, some of you might like this, and some of you might think it looks terrible. But it's kind of fun to play with. I mean, that's a pretty neat design right there for a squiggle. And if you have Corel 17, one of the new drawing items is a deal called Smart Drawing, but you don't really need that. But it does help if you have X17 or above, because it actually kind of correct some of your bad spots. It kind of smooths it out. And if you don't have it, you can always use just the pen tool. And you can see that I'm not very artistic with the mouse. But then you could always, if you have X7 and above, you can take the shape tool, click on that. Whoop, did it too much. I'm actually way too big. Let's make this about 4 inches. Click on it and then click on your item, and what that does, it takes nodes out, and it kind of then you can always get your shape tool back. Let's zoom in here a little bit, and like I said, I am not very artistic, but you could grab these and play around with them and elongate them and make them more rounded. But the reason, I guess the real reason for the video is, so let's tell you what, let's get this over here by itself and just kind of play around with this. Now that's not very good, but for the video it's going to be good enough. Now let's make this line a little bit thicker. Let's make it 0.1. And then I'm going to make a clone of it. So go up to Edit and Clone. Then hold down your control button and move this over to the other side. Now this is your original version. So if you zoom in here and you take your shape tool and you move this, it's going to move your other one because it's a clone. So this is what's neat about it. You can kind of see what's happening as you're going and make different shapes, and maybe make this one bigger, elongate it out. So this is the clone tool, and so this way you've got two identical. It's like a mirror image basically, but you can kind of see, instead of making a duplicate and copying it over there, you can kind of see what it's going to look like as you're going. So let's put that about in the middle. Let's bring this down. Maybe straighten it back out a little bit. Matter of fact, you can even go past it. And then, tell you what, let's do this. And that's a pretty neat design. I'm not going to say you're ever going to use it for a squiggle, but then you can always Control G, group that together, and make this a little narrower. Who knows? Play around with it. And like I said, you can do this with just the regular freehand tool, the pen tool, or the polyline tool, and you'll see if you have any artistic ability, which I have none. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.